Okay guys, so in this lecture we'll be going over how to customize our game graphics. So we might start off with the background, and we will want to go Command O in Photoshop to open up the file wherever you may have saved it, and go to resources and then background, and you will open it. And now you can customize it however. You can go to Google, like we said before, and you can grab images from there, or you may wish to draw something yourself. We could put maybe a sun here up the top, and then make it splash out rays of sun. Here we may just want to have this as a blue sky, so we will change it to the existing color. So we head over to the eyedrop tool and click that, then head back to our pencil, and we can make it continue down. So we could customize it like this. You could make it whatever you want, really. I mean, you could make it black and have it as a flying asteroid or a space shuttle or something. It's up to your imagination, is the limit of the game, really. So we can hit Command S to save that, and then we can head back to the iOS in Xcode, and we can hit Command Shift K to clean it, and turn it down the volume, and we can hit run, and hopefully the background should have changed. No? It's probably a different file that I'm running. So we will Command quit that, and we will just make sure that it is the one. Resources, images, and back at 2 pixels. So I've obviously edited the wrong file, so make sure you edit the right file. You can go show in Finder. However, we can do the same process over and over again. You can change the metals to whatever you wish. You may want to have the silver again, how it already is, but then have your little bouncing animal or object on there like it is. Same for the gold and the bronze, and you can make the background whatever you wish. You can change the metal plates if you wish. Again, you can customize that text like I've showed you in the previous lecture. You can customize this image again and put your little person up the top. And when you create your animal or object that is falling, I guess, you'll have to create 3 different images: one of him flying, one of him neutral, or her, or your object, and then one up. So it could be hands, it could be ears, it could be hair, it could be whatever you want it to be. The floor is pretty simple. If you have maybe a surfer guy or something random, you could have that as waves. There's endless possibilities. The pipe You could maybe go to Google Images, create like a Mario one, for example, and turn the pipe into a brick, and he could be hopping through the bricks if you guys like Mario. So it's very simple, just as I showed you guys how to do it. I will see you in the next lecture with your updated graphics.